Okay, as a musician, you need the ability to diagnose seventh chords from a chord symbol like this, and also from a series of notes or stack of notes. You'd need to be able to diagnose the chord symbol. So in this case, we're going to focus on spelling seventh chords from a chord symbol. Here, I have E flat major 7. This is a chord symbol you might see in any piece of music. In order to find the notes or the spelling of that E flat major 7, I've got to start by writing out the E flat major scale. Okay? So I always want to find the major 7, and then I can adjust from there depending on the suffix of the chord. So here is my E flat major scale. Again, I got to know my key signatures, write out my scale, takes me just a second, and then I need my 1, 3, 5, and 7, stack those up, okay? And that'll give me an E flat major 7. So here's E flat. Actually, let me circle these. 1, 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay? Those are my chordal tones in my tertian harmony in the key of E flat. So E flat, G, B flat, and D, and that creates an E flat major 7. Now, do I need to do anything to that? No. It says E flat major 7. I've got an E flat major 7 spelling. I'm good to go. Okay. I move to number 2. This is a D flat diminished 7. Now, I'm not going to jump straight to a diminished 7. The first thing I need to do is find a D flat major 7. So I'm going to write out the D flat major scale. I happen to know my key signature for D flat, hopefully. So I can just write out the notes. You may need to go through a series of things. You may need to look at your circle of fifths. You may need to think to yourself some kind of shortcut that we've worked on in the past to find out that B, E, A, D, G are all flat in the key of D flat. Okay, so here is my D flat major scale with my degree numbers. In order to create a D flat major 7, I need the 1, the 3, the 5, and the 7. Now, once I have those, I can stack them up. D flat, F, A flat, C. That's a D flat major 7. I need it to be a diminished 7. You can look at your sheet, right? Or if you have it memorized, that's great. I need a 1, flat 3, flat 5, double flat 7. Well, I've got a 1. I need a flat 3. So that F now becomes F flat. I need a flat 5. You might say, well, there's already a flat next to it. That is not a flat 5. A flat is the 5th in the key of D flat. Therefore, I need it to be a double flat. Okay? C is the 7th. I need to lower that twice. C flat, you might say, well, that's just a B. But B is not the 7th letter or 7th degree from the note D. Okay? B is the 6th. So that C flat, that C becomes C double flat, and this is the spelling for my D flat diminished. D flat, F flat, A double flat, C double flat. Okay? And then I would move on. B augmented 7. Got to write the B major scale. So I need to know my B major key signature. And I'm going to stack up 1, 3, 5, and 7. That'll give me a major. I'll just write it up here. B, D sharp, F sharp, A. Okay? Then I need to make it an augmented 7, which means I need 1, 3, sharp 5, flat 7. So 1, 3, those are good. Sharp 5. So F sharp has to be raised a half step. You might say, add another sharp next to that, just like the flats. But music can't be that fun. Or that easy, I should say. F double sharp, actually, a double sharp sign looks like an X. And then the A becomes A flat for our flat 7. Oh, sorry. It was A sharp. Should have been A sharp. And now it becomes A natural. Okay? And that's our B augmented 7.